let's quickly move on and see if we can indeed go to Vamakshi now. Yes, I think Vamakshi is with us to talk about this note on ABB. So what exactly is Axis Capital saying? What's their contention, Vamakshi?
Well, absolutely. Axis Capital is saying that they've gone ahead and they've upgraded their rating on ABB from reduced to buy. They've also increased their target price from 8,190 earlier to 9,340 per share. They say that the earnings update cycle in ABB continues. In fact, post the second quarter numbers, which is the April to June quarter, they have upgraded their calendar year 24 to 26 EPS estimates by almost 9 to 12%. Significant portion of the recent gross margin improvement, in their opinion, is structural and is here to stay. In fact, post Q2, that is over July and August, commodity prices, including that of steel, aluminum, as well as copper, they have moderated, and this in turn could be a tailwind for the margins for the company. They're expecting 41% earnings growth in the second half of this year. Base order inflows were flattish in the first half, but they are expected to pick up in the second half with the election as well as the budget uncertainty now behind. They're expecting the second half of this calendar year inflows to pick up by almost 20% and execution to pick up by 22% on a YOY basis. The core return on capital employed for calendar year 24 is expected at 120% plus. This is in comparison to 80% that we had seen in calendar year 23, and in fact is tracking much higher as compared to the peak of almost 100% that we saw in calendar year 2006. The cash to net worth ratio too is at 76%, and this too is at an all-time high. Overall, given all of these factors, they've actually switched their preference from ABB to Siemens, from Siemens to ABB rather. ABB has underperformed Nifty by almost 18%, and Siemens has Siemens by almost 12% over the last 3 months. And in this duration, they've gone ahead and upgraded ABB estimates by around 9 to 12%, while they've cut the Siemens EPS estimates by 2.5%. In fact, on a one-year forward basis as well, ABB is trading at a discount of almost 7% to Siemens as compared to a medium premium that we've seen since 2017. So overall, it's quite a bullish note coming in from Axis Capital on ABB.
All right, got it. Thank you, Vamakshi, very much for those details and for telling us more about that note.